is you will not go out of this room not having a vision.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, go ahead.
What kind of having last speaker for this summit? So it's international. The radiant influencer, Coach Tony Miranda.
Ng lead. But I never to have a safe space, communicate about it. But never. I want to be remembered as someone who... So now, I challenge... Oh, sir, uwi na. Okay. Glamorous. Hindi, diba? Then, bakit glamorous, right? To know how do you want to be on them? Or do you... Habit number 1. Habits ng nagre-reflect is because you are. And that is your design. You need to understand your story. So, how do you want to be? Who do you want to become? Your vision. With perish, o diba? Ang lalim. Punta tayo sa para makadaan sa ulit. Approach some of you is mukhang visionary.
Sa organization namin.
Di ba high five na lang sa walang prize? Diba? Nasaktan ka ba?
I want to be remembered as a leader.
Okay, versus 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, right? So multiplication is very to have a safe space, communicate about it. An account. About time, you remind your team, employees, your colleagues, hey, a loud message that if you cannot be trusted with bagong tsura. Looking sick. And this one is real, no? It's so powerful when tinuturo natin. So ano nangyari? Umangat both legs. Next, shoulders. We always do like what? Gawin na one leg. Bumaba na tayo na 1 inch. Eh, di ba kailangan natin ang height? When you represent your purpose. Diba? Okay, don't forget. Don't just grow. They cultivate like a vine. I challenge you. Is you will not go out of this room not having a vision and not having a plan of how you want to be remembered. People need you. People need you. We need you. Let's do it right. But, hindi mo kayang i-do it right na mag-isa lang. So I'd like to end my presentation with John 15:5. I am the vision, the potential of others, and I'm happy.
Because we would like to present you with a certificate 2025 signed by J.M. Atienzo, CEO and Chief Strategist, Learning Event Producer. Dear participants, a round of applause for Coach Tony Miranda. Maraming salamat, Coach Tony.